swing out blanket rack, very accessible, and you can hook it back to your door so that everything fits together well. Here we have your 3-tier swing out saddle rack and an extra wide door to make it more accessible to get in to more of your light stuff that you have in here. Up here you have a 10-hook headstall rack. Back here in the back you have room for your spare tire. The wall is all carpeted here so that your bits and bridles don't tear up your wall. Right behind me in the corner here you have a water tank so that you can make sure that all of your horses are hydrated along when you're traveling. Here alongside is your full-length running boards on your trailer, and both sides of your trailer are going to have these nice aluminum extrusions. Right here you have your drop-down windows. They can go up and down to keep your horses warm in the winter, as well as cool during the summer with plenty of ventilation. Here we're going to go back here to show you the easy lift ramp. No matter what your strength level, it's very easy and accessible. Now we're going to go inside the trailer here. Your floors are going to be an all aluminum floor, marine grade flooring, the best in the industry as far as aluminum flooring goes. You're going to have your butt bar here. Now here on the divider, you'll have a telescoping divider. You can pull it in or pull it out and push it in very easily. Your open airflow divider. You've got a rubber kick wall here. Your whole interior is going to be lined with rubber. Now up here you have 2 fans to increase the ventilation for your horses. The top rail, that's where all your wiring is going to be, but this is the sturdiest top rail in the industry. As we go outside to the front here, we're going to show you the drop down windows on the front side. Now, as you can see here, this one's still in, but you can have the bars up or you can take them out to offer your horses water without taking your horses out of the trailer at either a truck stop or a gas station. Right here, we're going to end with your steel coupler. That's a bulldog coupler, very sturdy.